Hi guys, so I've just passed Tyndrum and we're heading towards Glencoe, and on the left soon we'll be passing Moor, which is a nice little summit that I camped a few times. I might be doing that one tonight or tomorrow night. I still have not decided if I'm going up the Glen. Oh, we've got a bagpipes coming on here. So that was different, guys, that was incredible. I'll put an Instagram link to this guy's performer influence just on the side there, so check him out, pretty awesome. That was a nice little performance. I just stood up because I was filming. So yeah, it's pretty drizzly guys, but yeah, we're going to get ourselves to the Glencoe ski resort, sit down, have a hot chocolate and see where we go from there. It's supposed to clear up at 5. Tomorrow morning is meant to be quite a high cloud inversion, say 600 metres, and I'm going to be 700 metres high, so I want a high cloud inversion, whereas versus Friday morning, I know the weather's clear tomorrow night into Friday, but it's lower fog, it's not as high on Friday morning, so I'm looking more for like the atmosphere drone shots and stuff. So yeah, I'm pretty convinced that I'm going to go up tonight and then maybe do Moor tomorrow night, because then when I'm up Moor Friday morning I might get some lower mist round it, because Moor's a little bit lower. So I'll catch you in a bit guys. I think I'm swaying because I chucked my rucksack on and it's really heavy actually. You can get away with having a heavy rucksack for this up here because it's literally a 10-minute walk till you pitch your tent. I've some unexpected company perhaps tonight, which will be quite interesting. Someone I follow on Instagram, check their YouTube and channel out. I've always followed them, love their photography, and they just happen to be going up the same night as me to pitch where I am, but they're arriving a little bit later, so I'll be picking brains for photography. So that'll be interesting. I was kind of wanting some company tonight. One of the reasons I nearly didn't come out was because it was because I wanted some company, you know. And well, being it's a camp I've done almost 3 times this year so far, you know, looking like a numpty. I nearly didn't come because I thought, well, I can't get up any hills I want to get up, and it's a 3-hour drive, and you know you've done it before, but it is always different every time, so it's worth coming back to places. It really is. 6th time now. Yeah, it's quite a lot. Got the Acto Hilleberg with me, so I've not used it for a while, so I'll give it a bash. It's a bit chilly. Can't wait to get my big puffer jacket on. That rain is coming this way guys. Hopefully it misses us. So I always get a nice little chat with the chairlift people. I absolutely love, just love how people are up here, honestly. Never get past how cool it is as well. That's the chairlift there. And we are just walking along here. Ta-da! Oh no! Hope that's not slippy. The closest I will get to hiking, which makes me feel good, eh? And leaves me pain-free. Give me a little lift, guy. I could do with one of those, getting up hills. That's Karura in the distance over there. I did think about getting the train, and then you might be able to see it. I think it's one of those little, it's 100 metres you can go up and have a little camp over there. I did think of doing that sometime. I was going to do it this time, but I thought, nah, save that for another time. See, that's a road that I could also follow up that would take me to that ridge. Not any further than what I'm doing right now. So that's also for another time. But I just really fancied being up here again today. I don't know, I just like the views of Stob de Arg from it, you know. Another 40 metres to go and I'm up. And you know, it's only 0.3 miles. I'm sweating buckets, man. I've got too many layers on, but I'm almost there now, so there's no point. I guess I'll need them when I'm up there. So that's the thing, it's not good to sweat because then it makes you cold. But it's alright in these kind of conditions this time of year. So, reached the summit and looking down to the King's House over there. Sorry if my camera is a bit jerky, guys. I am still walking at the same time. And I must say, the mountains are looking very moody. I'm loving it. It's a different from usual. It's going to be a good one. Good lighting as well. Oh my god. Woo. That's my 0.3 mile walk done. Ding! Time to go to bed. Perch. I'm going to show you around and try and get a nice steady shot. Getting better at this these days. Sorry about the wind, guys. Sorry. I'm not patient. Here you go. That's that. Right, we'll get set up now. Aye! Woo! This was my favourite tent, but I'm starting to change my mind really. I've been trying to pitch this bloody thing for ages. I can't get the pegs in anywhere, and that end's all not right. I have to get this right for a summit camp. I mean, this is a nightmare. Never pitch an axle up this hill. Never. Should have brought my solo. Who would have known a tent would have taken so long to pitch, honestly. Whole hour. I'm going to write a review to Hilleberg about, I mean, this used to be my favourite tent, it is no longer my favourite tent. What's funny is, when I got this tent, like, out of my bag, I thought I'd brought the solo with the actual poles, which would have been a disaster, because the inner was separate. Last time I used this, I didn't know I'd left the inner separate, so that's what I'd done with my solo last week. So I thought, shit, I brought the wrong tent. I had fright of my life, guys, honestly. You know, I've got so used to my solo having such a high door. I mean, it's good to know I might sell this tent, you know. I mean, look, I'm so used to having my head free. I'm not used to this anymore. This feels too small for me. I hate this tent. I'm not doing a good review of this tent, I'll tell you. Right, I've repositioned it. Guys, I mean, it's not going to get any better than this with the terrain I'm on, honestly. The other pitch I was just sleeping terribly, now I'm flat. And now, it's not going anywhere. It's a hill around, it's solid. So, I mean, it's not perfect. But there you go. But the wind's not supposed to be more than 20 tonight, so... it would be ideal if Hillabird puts that in here, you know what, I just don't know. It's just not ideal tent for this kind of terrain. You need to have perfect pitching conditions for this tent. I think I'll find a way to make up with my act though. I think I was a bit harsh on it. It has its purpose. I fell out with it temporarily, but we've made up again, so... I'm not sure it's my favourite tent anymore though. I didn't hear that. I opted to go for the meal pack as well. I mean, I'm actually quite hungry. I think it was all that tent sitting up. Guys, I'm not going to film myself pouring it and eating it. Try this quickly. I'll probably catch you in the tent soon. So I'm heading over there. You might be getting dazzled by that reflection, but that is stunning. Wow. That's amazing. Keep getting little reflections of the sun into the Rannoch Moor. Woo. Very nice. Very nice. Meal pack, guys. Honestly, it tastes, I don't know if that's focusing, but it tastes so good. Yeah. It's the tent. Okay. Oh, that's so good. Better. Yes. Got my bag there on the left. I've got my Rab 700. Goes into -9. Flex tail pillow, flex tail mat, and I've got a little filtration sack for drinking during the night. And that's it. Very simple. Keep it plain and simple on the summits, guys. It's me baby. Yes. There you go. It's quite dark now. Stop the arg over there. I'm gonna take a stroll to the summit. So I'm in my bed now. It's actually too warm for my puffer being in the tent. Strange that, yet I wore it to sleep in the Lake District like 5 days ago and the weather was even warmer. But I'm roasting. So I'm gonna get a bit of shut eye and then put an alarm on through the night to see if I capture any northern lights. We'll see what happens. God, it was a nightmare pitching this tent. But I'm fairly happy. I'm quite sheltered, which is surprising because it's meant to be a northeasterly wind and, well, there's no shelter from there, but anyway, let's talk about my injuries. My Achilles, fine. I haven't felt anything, which is expected. It's good. I mean, I'm up to 3 mile walks now in a flat, so that was 0.3 miles, so it's okay. I know I've got the additional weight, but I found that it's okay for short distances like that. My knee didn't bother me actually as much as it did 5 days ago. Probably partly because I did some eccentric stuff on my rehab yesterday, which kind of resets it sometimes. Yeah, just happy I made the decision to come out. I was quite close to, I don't know, changing my plans and not coming up. Just because I've done this pitch a million times. But you know what, now I'm up, I'm like, actually, I don't care, I've done this a million times. I need to remember the way I feel right now, because next time I say to come here and do this, I know it's not a waste of time, because I was just having it in my head, oh, I've done it so many times, I'll get bored, but nah, I haven't got bored, it's incredible. I've just got to remember this feeling. I went through most of the chocolate stars. I'm actually surprised I haven't eaten the crisps. That'll be breakfast. You know, you can get away with these things in camps. So, if I don't see you guys when the northern lights are out, if they do come out, then I'll probably see you at like 6 AM in the morning. I think it's like 10 o'clock now, something like that. So I'm going to get some kit. Good night. Who's this that has turned up at 11 PM?
Hello?
Hello?
Can't see you.
I'm here. I'm here. This is Benjamin, guys. Say hi.
Hello.
Photographer. I'll leave you his details and stuff in the description. You'll probably see more of him tomorrow because he's arrived quite late. Why have you arrived so late?
I just tend to do that, you know, if I want to see the sunrise. I love night hikes.
Right.
Hiking through the stars.
Yeah, the stars are incredible. Absolutely amazing. So he's going to be trying a new tent out. What's it called again?
Alpkit Polestar.
Alpkit Polestar.
I'll be pitching my tent somewhere along there.
Somewhere down there, which we'll check out in a bit.
The wind has died down.
There is no wind. It's brilliant. Checked if there's poles in it.
Yeah.
Right.
I checked. Actually, to be honest, no.
So you've not taken the tent out of its bag.
What if there's no pegs in it?
Well, I've got 2 spare if you need them.
The tent has never been out of the bag itself. So we'll find out. Otherwise, I'll just sleep on the mat. On the grass.
But a 4-season can usually, it takes about, you know, it should be able to take about 50-60 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Winds with poles, that's quite difficult, isn't it? Hasn't even got numbers on it. Come on, man.
Look at this. This is the...
Oh.
I actually think it is. Because the clips are here and I think we need to attach them. Oh my god.
Turn it round, yeah.
Oh, you think I'm useful? You think I'm useful? That's why they said don't put your tent in the mountains at night time when you don't know yet.
Especially when it's your first time pitching a pole tent. Idiot. Well, this has been an eventful...
Oh, it's interesting. Just pitch a tent for the first time. They do say, please pitch before you go to the mountain.
We can't figure out why the middle bit is dropping in.
It's supposed to be like super high.
Do you think maybe the poles are supposed to be not at this angle, but at that angle, and then it pulls it up? Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, true.
There's definitely something wrong.
So that's the door.
Right.
They switch across.
I don't know. Where's the door? Is that surely not the door? It's tiny.
I think it is. It is supposed to be tiny. Oh well.
The video that you watched on YouTube, he curled it all the way up, didn't he?
Yeah, I think it's an updated model. I think it used to be that it just carved right down.
Or this thing could be what holds the door open.
Yes, I think
and that opens up to the side.
I think I saw him taking a peg out as he opened the door.
Watch this, make it a lot easier for you. There you go.
Thanks.
You're welcome, we figured out the door.
Which side was what? Right. Definitely a way to get ticks. You know what? I could just sleep like this. I want it to be a bit like a bivvy, but like bigger than a bivvy.
Open it up again.
There's lots of door room though, I have to say.
Wow. I quite like it actually.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. Quite long.
I quite like it actually. I like that it's just simple.
Hi guys, good morning. It's like 6:10, 15-ish. Gonna get some photos. Got woken up by an alarm. Not my alarm. Anyway. But this is what we're working with. I was awake since 4 AM anyway.
I slept perfect. My tent is somewhere there that you can't see.
You guys will see it on the footage.
Last night.
That was an absolute. It was fun.
First time setting up a tent.
Yeah. So, I'm going to put some drone up and then catch you probably when I'm on coffee. What kind of camera is it?
Oh,
I want to video with.
my own system. Olympus camera.
Olympus!
Well, OM system.
I've seen. Aye. Rock solid tent, that.
Like a bivvy, but like slightly bigger than a bivvy.
Aye.
I like it.
Did you get any moisture inside it?
I think on the side there's a bit of moisture.
The inner was dry.
Yeah. Well, apart from that, yeah, it was good. Actually, a lot of space here. And the whole back fits in there.
This is Nevis, guys, but unfortunately Sean wasn't up with me to be introduced. What a shame! Hi, Nevis. I love it. He's got an X-bed mat as well. What version of mat's that? It's a good, it's a really good mat, that, for winter.
Oh, it's the best mat I've ever got. Yeah, Shimano bags are really good. Haven't had any issues with it.
The lighting has been absolutely incredible this morning. I'm just about to show you this backdrop over here. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, the clouds going on up here. That's stunning. Been just, you know, I've been saying I'm going to go and have a nap, but honestly, I just want to stay up. I don't want to go to sleep. Gonna go and chill out for a bit and do some sleeping. And then wake up again in an hour. I think it's about 7:50 at the minute, so yeah. I need to get a camera. I knew that's what I would learn from I need to get a camera. So yeah, feel free to check out Benjamin's website where he sells his work. He also has loads of photography, does workshops here in Glencoe and in Torridon and other places too for photography. So if you're a keen photographer and you want to learn, yeah, you can find his details on his website, which I'll put in the bio, and check that out. Okay, I'm gonna go to sleep now, so good morning, night. It's a very strange cloud. Oh, that's a bit, that's like it, eh? Amazing. Puffs up nice and you top of it, eh? Don't know what I'm saying right guys. I was going to do a walk-away shot, but look at this. So much for acting like no one was recording me. This guy set it off. I think I've got everything. But I'm going to record this guy. Look at that. He's away. That's pretty awesome, that, isn't it? Right, I best actually check if I've got everything off the ground. So much for the walking away shot. I thought he was well camping and he came up, but he was actually doing that. That's incredible. Yeah, so I'll catch you on the lift. I've got some exciting plans for tonight. I'll update you later on that. Might be the next video. Guys, I'm going to sign out now. That's me at the chairlift. The door is just behind me. Amazing. I mean, the last time I was up there solo, I had the Northern Lights full throttle back in March, May time. Last time I was up there, the company was David. Yeah, please like and subscribe. I look forward to hearing your comments. It was a very different video this time. A lot of very nice things happened in this trip, and looking forward to tonight and that possibly in the next video. And I will see you next time. Bye!